President Ronald Reagan changed American gold ownership forever with his landmark signing of the Gold Bullion Act of 1985, authorizing our nation's first proof gold American Eagle coin. Commemorating the 30th anniversary of this historic event, each coin label is hand-signed by Ronald Reagan's son, Michael Reagan. We are proud to exclusively offer this one-of-a-kind series of proof gold American Eagle coins from every year of issue 1986 to 2018. Available in limited quantities in only the highest grades, near-perfect PR69 and museum-quality PR70, this private population from PCGS is certified legal tender from the U.S. Mint. Augustus St. Gaudens's famed Lady Liberty design appears on the obverse of each coin, while the reverse depicts sculptor Miley Busiek's family of eagles, one with wings spread at the center. With up to 4 denominations comprising one set, sets from every year of issue form a date run. Every set added to your date run represents an extra line of defense for your wealth protection. While owning a date run of any gold series is an achievement, this series, with its signature distinction, is the premier gold owner's asset. The years are varied. Denomination, 50, 25, 10, and $5 U.S. Condition is proof. Grading service, PCGS. Metal content, 1 troy ounce, half troy ounce, quarter troy ounce, and 1/10 troy ounce. Purity, 22 karat gold. Mint mark, W for West Point. Minting facility, U.S. Mint from the United States of America. Diameter 32.7 millimeter, 27 millimeter, 22 millimeter, and 16.5 millimeter, depending on fractional denominations. Thickness 2.95 millimeter, 2.24 millimeter, 1.83 millimeter, 1.19 millimeter. Obverse designer, Augustus St. Gaudens. Reverse designer, Miley Busiek.